So today, the ICI formally turned over the documents and records that it has in its custody after its long investigation over the flood control anomalies to the DOJ.
Naipasa na ng Independent Commission for Infrastructure sa Department of Justice kaninang umaga ang mga dokumento at record ng kanilang investigasyon sa flood control anomaly. Ayon kay DOJ spokesperson Attorney Polo Martinez, sa ngayon ay sisimulan na nilang pag-aralan ng mga dokumento na kanilang gagamitin sa paghahain ng reklamo.
After assessment of the documents, after carefully studying, evaluating them, makita na there's enough to go with for referral eventually, i-refer namin to sa proper law enforcement agency to do its own investigation and then afterwards file it with the appropriate forum or institution. So that's either with us or with the Ombudsman.
Ayon pa sa DOJ, wala silang nakikitang problema sa gagawing investigasyon kahit pa may na-turn over ng dokumento ang ICI sa Office of the Ombudsman.
Kahit naman sabay namin imbestigahan yan, meaning the Ombudsman and the DOJ, it's the same set of facts. Ideally, di ba? No, ordinarily, it's the same set of facts because isa lang naman ang nag-imbestiga niyan, which is the ICI. Diba? So, hindi magdi-differ yung findings that they provided the Ombudsman to that with the DOJ.
Dagdag pa ng tagapagsalita ng DOJ, ngayong nasa kanila na ang mga dokumento, hindi naman nangangahulugan na mapapabilis na ang investigasyon laban sa anomalya sa flood control.
It's hard to say po kung mapapabilis, no? Because again, it has to be, pag-aaralan pa natin yung ebidensya, yung documents submitted to us. So, there's a process we have to follow. Kailangan maigip yung pagbabasa ng mga ebidensya. Hindi po pwedeng i-fast track, diba? So, if you want it to be a really judicious evaluation of the evidence, it has to be done properly, meticulously.
Samala, tiniyak naman ng National Bureau of Investigation na nakahanda sila kung ipaubaya sa kanila ng DOJ ang gagawing investigasyon. Ayon kay NBI Director Attorney Melvin Matibag, handa nilang ipagpatuloy ang mga isinagawa ng investigasyon ng ICI.
Well, that's our primary mandate. It's a primary mandate of NBI. So kahit walang turnover, kung meron man o bago, we'll always do our job. Malaking tulong yun, pero hindi ko pa nakita lahat. Pero for sure, there are documents that can be obvious. It was turned over to DOJ, hindi sa amin. We're just guests doon sa amin.
Benedict Samson, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.